Have you ever wondered how the world's most colorful festival is celebrated? Welcome, dear friends, to the vibrant, joyous, and culturally rich world of Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors. This is not just a festival. It's an emotion, a celebration of life, and a testament to the triumph of good over evil. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, Holi has now reached the corners of the world, spreading its hues far and wide. But what makes this festival so special? What are the rituals that surround it, and how do these traditions bring people together? As the winter chill subsides and the spring breeze starts to flow, anticipation for Holi starts to grow. The festival begins with the lighting of a bonfire, symbolizing the burning of evil spirits. This ritual, known as Holika Dahan, is a reminder of the victory of good over evil. It's a time for reflection, a time to let go of past grievances, and a time to embrace the warmth of the new season. The following day, the air fills with laughter, joy, and a myriad of colors. This is the day of Duleti, the day when people throw colored powders and water at each other. The streets become a canvas, and the people, the artists, painting the town in vibrant hues of red, yellow, blue, and green. But Holi is not just about colors. It's an opportunity for families to gather, for friends to reunite, and for communities to come together. Traditional sweets like gujia and malpua add sweetness to the celebrations, while folk songs and dances infuse the air with cultural richness. Yet at its heart, Holi is a festival of unity. The colors blur the lines between rich and poor, young and old, man and woman. Everyone becomes equal. Everyone becomes one. It's a day when differences are forgotten and only love, joy, and camaraderie remain. In a nutshell, Holi is a celebration of life. It's a festival that embodies the spirit of joy, unity, and the victory of good over evil. It starts with a bonfire symbolizing the burning of negativity. The following day is a riot of colors, where everyone participates in a playful battle of hues. Amidst this, families and friends come together, sharing sweets and immersing themselves in cultural performances. So the next time you see a cloud of colors in the sky, remember, it's not just a festival. It's a celebration of life, a testament to unity, and a tribute to the victory of good over evil. This is Holi, the Festival of Colors,